At San Diego, we are America's busiest single runway airport, which means that for us, we have to have a better understanding of the customer. While other solutions like video and LiDAR each have great strengths of their own, with the Ariadne solution measuring unique cell phone signatures as they're moving through our facility, it allows us to track duration as people linger or have to sit in queues. We know that long queue times can really decrease non-aeronautical revenues that we collect per passenger by as much as $4 per passenger. As we work with various business partners with the TSA or private contractors that help us with restroom maintenance, for example, if we can tell them actual information in terms of how the scheduling on Thursday might be different than on Friday based on actual movement of people that we've seen in relation to aircraft movement, that's a win-win for everybody involved. We can also measure really well how locations, like concessions locations, are doing relative to how we would expect them to do. So if I have a device installed in a location, I can then correlate the number of transactions that we see from that location with the actual number of footfall that we saw in that area of our terminal. And with the Ariadne devices and the associated mobile app, I can not only have a data capture solution that tells me things like visitor counts, durations, and transitions, I can also use it for wayfinding. I have one tool that has many different applications. What really appeals to me the most is the fact that I can actually work with the Ariadne people and get the data that I need in the way that I need it. With Ariadne, we actually had them develop custom API integrations just for us. That agility and that willingness to work with the customer is fantastic. So with Ariadne, here at San Diego, we are transitioning to be a smarter airport hub by focusing on the data element that is most crucial to our airport operations, which is the movement of passengers, visitor counts, durations, and transitions.